Hello there, welcome to Review Verge, where I will give you my unbiased opinion on JavaScript Commission Bot, including what it is, how it works, and most importantly, whether it is worth your money or not. Finally, I'll share my thoughts on JavaScript Commission Bot. Before we begin, let's briefly discuss about the JavaScript Commission Bot. The JavaScript Commission Bot is a complete business in a box that enables you to create free targeted traffic automatically and convert it into thousands of dollars each day. It consists of two DFY campaigns that convert crazily and a JavaScript Chrome extension that brings you a ton of Twitter and Instagram traffic that is eager to buy. Still curious? Let's visit the website to learn more about the product. Here it says, unlimited free traffic into lazy commissions, and they are making $1,000 plus daily profits, and it's push button easy, which you can do as well. This automated system will provide you 24/7 traffic and 24/7 commissions. As you are aware, the only thing you need to make money online is traffic and offers. Here's how to make that process as simple, fast, and profitable as possible. Use other people's audiences to acquire targeted traffic and don't pay for advertising or waste time creating content. Find products with an unlimited audience that pay hundreds of dollars per sale rather than struggling for puny commissions in the competitive MMO niche. This Chrome extension has oversimplified everything. It's got to be simple enough for a 7-year-old and work fast enough to hold a teenager's attention. It will provide you with free automated traffic, game-changing commissions, and a 4+ figure profit potential each day without requiring you to generate any content or videos. You will be able to earn 4+ figure daily commissions without creating videos, building a social following, learning complicated software, building an email list, buying ads, or paying for specialists, and much more. It only takes 10 minutes to set up and includes commission campaigns that may make you up to $400 per click with no learning curve. Let us look at some of the advantages of JavaScript Commission Bot. This piece of software is totally compliant with the included traffic, and it is not like other software that stops operating when the algorithm changes. It is a Chrome extension that works with your Chrome browser and will remain compliant and functional. It includes DFY affiliate campaigns, which are a proven winner that can earn you hundreds of thousands of dollars in evergreen and undiscovered areas with enormous audiences. It will design your personalized money pages to maximize your commissions. You just have to paste your affiliate link, and marketing professionals will do the selling for you. With this new technology, it is easier than ever to earn money online without the need for complicated marketing tactics. Okay, now let me show you how the JavaScript Commission Bot works and how you can earn money with it. So this is the members area right here. Here we've got the two different pieces of JavaScript that you'll need to install. So you simply download them from here and you would upload them into your browser and you can see it, the icon for it up here. So this is for the traffic. So we'll start with the traffic. You'd simply need to open up your Instagram account and your Twitter account if you want to use that as well. And then simply go and find a public figure in your niche or a competitor in your niche who has a lot of followers. So for me, my niche is make money online. So I've opened up Grant Cardone because he's a public figure in this niche. He also has 2.9 million followers. So all I need to do is click on his followers and it will open up this. And then simply click on the piece of JavaScript, the JavaScript Commission Bot code that we've entered in, and then we go in how many followers we want it to follow a day. And then we can set up this as well. And then simply click on Start. And what you're going to see here is it's going to automatically start scrolling through Grant Cardone's followers, one by one, and it's going to start following them. So you can see that working in the background. I'm going to stop it now, but you're probably thinking, okay, it's going to go and follow people's followers. How is this going to get me traffic? Well, you got to understand every single person that's following Grant Cardone is interested in making money online, which is my niche. Now what happens is when you start following, they're going to get a notification from Instagram on their phone to say, XYZ Make Money Online course just started following you. Now, because they're interested in making money online, they're going to open up your bio and check you out of pure curiosity and possibly buy our product. And that brings us on to the monetization part. As you can see, the next thing we can do inside a JavaScript Commission Bot is go through the offers and training before generating our done-for-you campaign. So clicking here will bring up this page. Simply enter your name and your affiliate link for this specific offer. And you don't need to put Google Analytics unless you know how to use them. And then you go and select one of the two offers that it has for you. So let's go with Cartel. We simply generate this, and then we have our two links down here. Now this first link is going to be the link that we send our traffic to. So let's open this one up and you can see it's going to look like this, which is a very nicely presented page, which also comes with a review video, demo video again, and it comes with these bonuses as well. So you can see, you don't need to make any videos yourself. You're utilizing what is made for you. And this page here is completely self-hosted by them. So you don't need your own website either. All you need to do is simply copy this URL. We would have go back into Instagram. We would go into our profile, simply click on Edit Profile, and we would paste that link. That's all that we need to do. Now, what will happen once we start following these people? They will start getting those notifications from Instagram. They will click on our bio and will see that link that we have. They'll click on that link, they'll go through to that offer page, and hopefully they'll buy. Now you know how exactly JavaScript Commission Bot works. It is completely optional to use their affiliate campaign. You can use any other offers or products of your own choice for promotion. Let us now move to the upsells of the JavaScript Commission Bot. 1. Front-End Edition. It is priced at $12.97, and with this you can access the powerful JavaScript Commission Bot software and training modules, but it is limited to only 5 Twitter or Instagram accounts. 2. JavaScript Commission Bot Pro Edition. It is priced at $47. With this upgrade you get unlimited access to any number of accounts plus the URL shortener service too. 3. JavaScript Commission Bot DFY Campaigns, priced at $97. It has proven high-converting campaigns collection that collectively made over $50,000. These campaigns include bonus pages plus bonuses and review videos. Upsell 4. Immense value once more. By putting pixels on our sales pages, you will get direct access to the Jono's AdWords audience for the upcoming 365 days. It goes further than that. Additionally, you have access to Jono's own auto webinar funnel and his collection of personal advertisements, complete with emails, follow-up emails, and retargeting. Simply send Jono's audience or advertising to earn $880 each sale from their penny clicks. You will get all these at $197. In case you don't know, Jono Armstrong is the creator of this bot. 5. JavaScript Commission Bot Reseller Edition, priced at $197. With this you will get combined developers' rights, resale rights, and 3 extra softwares. Purchasers of this upsell are also eligible to profit from the entire funnel by selling JavaScript Commission Bot as if it were their own product. Let's now discuss my perspective on JavaScript Commission Bot. As you can see from my instructions, this system is extremely simple and easy to use. It only takes 10 minutes to set up and that's it. Even if you are a newbie, you will be able to get started earning money online right away. This is a superb and automated system. Many other social media following software packages are cloud-based and require a proxy in order to function. As a result, whenever Twitter or Instagram change their terms and conditions or versions, these softwares become unusable. Because JavaScript Commission Bot is a Chrome extension, you won't have to deal with this problem. As previously stated, all you need is a Twitter and Instagram account, as well as 10 minutes to set up the entire system. You will only need to paste your affiliate link into each social media site's profile, and the system will handle everything else, including traffic and commissions. I have to say that this software is inexpensive and well worth the money I paid for it. I strongly recommend this software to anyone who wants to earn massive commissions quickly. I hope that my JavaScript Commission Bot review can assist you in making a more informed and timely decision. Click on the link in description to buy JavaScript Commission Bot without any problem or scam. Thanks for watching my channel. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment or send me a message. I'll be sure to get back to you as soon as I can. Take care.